Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to another Java interview question. Let me open the question and find the logic for solving this question. How to find the maximum and minimum number in an array. Suppose we have an integer array. How can you find the maximum number or how can you find the minimum number on that array? For putting these questions, let me open the Eclipse. Uh, I already have my package. Under my package, I create one class, name it max and min numbers. I click public static void main method and finish. The first part of the question is find the maximum number. Max number. Suppose that we have an array, integer array, one dimensional array. Suppose we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 800,000. Excuse me. We have an array of integer 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 800, and 1000. How can you find the maximum number in this array? I assume that the first number or first number in this array is the maximum number. I assume it is the maximum number. Now I wanna compare all these numbers with the first number. If one of these numbers is greater than this number, I assign the max to to that number. I initialize another variable max equal to ARR 0. As I mentioned, I assume the first variable is the max number. If the second or third or all the way these numbers greater than this number, I assign that number to this variable. How can I compare the array's number with this number? I use for loop for integer I equal to 1. I less than ARR dot length I plus plus. I will explain why I get I equal to 1 because I already take index of 0. That's why I don't use I from 0. I compare the from index of 1 all the way. Inside of this block of code, I want to write my condition f one of these numbers. One of these numbers, how can I write these numbers? I write by what? A R R I, one of these numbers greater than max. If one of these numbers is greater than max's index 0, then I assign max to that number. I assign max to that number. Then says out, I want to print a message, the maximum number is, I print max. Let's run the program. You see the maximum number is 1000. Let's see, it's 1000. Suppose I add another number, 2000. Let's run the program. You see the maximum number is 2000. For finding minimum number, we use the same logic. I initialize and declare another variable by the name of minimum number equal to ARR 0. I assume that the first variable is the minimum number. Now I want to compare all these numbers with the first number. If one of these numbers is less than that number, I assign that number to the minimum number. How can I use the same logic for integer I equal to 1, I less than ARR dot length I plus plus. Inside of this block of code, same logic. If ARRI, one of the numbers in array, less than. I use it here greater than max. Now I use less than. I want to find the minimum number. If one of these numbers is less than that minimum number, then minimum number is equal to that number, ARR I. Just says out, I want to say a message, the minimum number is plus minimum number. Let's run the program. You see the maximum number on that array is, in this array, the maximum number is 2000 and the minimum number is 10. Let me write another number, suppose 2. Let's run the program. You see the maximum number is 2000 and the minimum number is 2. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.